Hello, this is Zekushon from Twitter. Today we're going to talk about a new tutorial, which is to prepare a pen drive or an external hard drive for updating the ps3. To do this we need, of course, our pub. It has to be named like this, ps3 update.pub. If you have any doubts about the extension, you can just go to the control panel and then you go to the options of File Explorer and you go here on Sync, and it should have an option for the extension. Hide extension for known file types. You have to put this on not checked. So if you go here, you can see that the extension is .pub. So you have to do it like this. So I have here my firmware. It's a custom firmware, and I have here Rufus with me. So Rufus can be obtained from rufus.ie. You can just go here. It will translate to your home language automatically. You can just go here and click here, and it will download for you. After you get it, you start it. Okay, it started. So as you can see here, you can see that there is no device or disk. That's because I am using an external disk to install the custom firmware. So if you use a pen drive, it will detect automatically. So if you use a disk, you need to run a button combination on your keyboard, which is Control Alt F, and it will show up the partition of your disk. After you do this, you select on the boot type FreeDOS. Okay, so this is what you must select. It will show the partition scheme as MBR, which is what we want, and the destination system, it will show us BIOS. That's what we want. For the name of the disk, we can just choose PS3, for example. The file system will be large FAT32, that's what we want, and the cluster size will be 32 kilobytes. Okay. So after we check all this, we just click on Start. It will say it will delete all data, so if you have any important data, please back it up before formatting the disk. Then you can just click OK. It will delete the partitions and it will add some files to it. Maybe, I'm not sure if it's taking a while or not. Okay, so it had an error. Seems like it has failed. Let's try again. This might be a problem with the cable. So has a bunch of errors. Okay, let's try on the other side of the laptop. I'm using a laptop. Might not be the better choice for this. Let's try now. Again, the same thing. Start. Okay, so in the name I go put PS3. So start. Okay, see if it's better like this. Okay, it worked. So it will write the files. Okay, it's done. Done. You can close. If you press F5 here, you can see that it will add a bunch of files. You don't need neither of these files, so you just shift delete, yes, yes, delete permanently. So after we do this, we can just start to make our folders as explained by Sony. So ps3, and then we open it, and then we create another folder called update. Okay, and then here we're going to make to copy our custom firmware, or our official firmware, or our hybrid firmware. So just paste it here, it will copy, and that's it. So very important, it has to be MBR file system, so has to be FAT32 MBR, and then the folder format must be ps3 update, ps3 update.pub, without the e, so this is very important. So this will also work for the PS4 and for the PS5 updates, same thing. So that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, please ask. This was made for a friend, my friend Alex Altea, from the emulator Nucleus and also Orbital. He had some questions about how to prepare his pendrive, so this is for him. If you guys have any questions, please ask. Please let me know if I need to do something different, and I hope I see you guys on the next video.